baby Swiss. And then we'll go ahead and put the salami. Today on Frugal or Cheap, we're going to look at restaurant copycat recipes. What we're going to do today is a recipe from one of our local favorite sandwich shops, which unfortunately has closed. And so we need to make this now at home. We can't order it. And I'm going to see if I can make it cheaper than what it was before the shop closed down. So what we're going to need is some ham, bologna, salami, Swiss, American, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, some softened butter or margarine, and some sandwich rolls. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the ingredients and we'll come back and put them together. So let's assemble the sandwiches. I'm going to take one loaf and spread some softened butter or margarine on both sides. This will keep it from getting soggy. And then we'll spread some mayonnaise. Next, we're going to start layering the meats and the cheeses. So I'm going to start with a layer of meat. Start with the bologna. And then the baby Swiss. And then we'll go ahead and put the salami. Then the ham. And how much meat you put on here is entirely up to you. We're going to put the American cheese. And then I'll set this on a foil-lined baking dish with a rack. Keep it open like this. And I'll put that under broil, low broil for about 5 minutes till it's kind of toasty and crunchy. So I'll go ahead and assemble the rest of the sandwiches and bake them. We'll come back and see what we've got. Okay, so the sandwiches are done. The only thing left to do is top with a little bit of room temperature lettuce. This lettuce doesn't do well under the broiler. And some room temperature tomato. Put your sandwich together. Give it a cut. And set it on the plate with pickle, potato chips, potato salad, whatever you like best. If we had ordered this from the restaurant, it would have been $5.25. Making it at home, it's $3.10. So this is our copycat recipe from our favorite sub shop. I hope you enjoy. Let me know down below what's your favorite copycat recipe, and don't forget to like and